Hi guys, in my next video, I will show you how to make a simple maze game for your friends to enjoy. First thing that we need to do is to select our sprite as the main character on this game. I selected a bat, and for our stage, we need to have a maze background that you can download in Google and make sure it's black and white. At this stage, I suggest you to resize your sprite based on the size of your maze background so you'll be able to walk through the maze. Next thing that you need to do is we need to select events code and select when start is clicked, and then we need to select the position on where our sprite will start. By going to the motion code and selecting go to, let us say, x negative 115 and y 45, positive 45. This will be the start position of our sprite. Be sure to close the start of the maze so that there won't be any cheating. Then in order to control the character by using the arrow keypad, we need to go to the events code and select when the arrow keyboard key is pressed. Let us try when the down arrow key pressed, then in order to change the position or move the character or sprite. We need to select the motion code and let us say change y by negative 10 so it moves at a given distance. Once you press the designated key on your keyboard. By doing so, you will notice after giving this code, our character will be still moving continuously. So with this, we need to put a control code to have the sprite movement on the exact position where it has to go. In this case, we need to put a control code and if then cells touching color black, which is the color of the maze. So whenever a sprite touches the black color background of the maze, then it should stop its movement. Repeat these steps in the additional directional arrow keys, namely up, left and right arrow, then by entering the opposite x and y coordinates. After doing this, you can test the game by moving the arrow keys to move through the maze, and once you pass the wall, it will not allow you to pass the through due to the statement code. But when you reach the green arrow, it doesn't show you that the game has ended. In order to do so, we need to create an event code and select forever code and if statement and go to sensing. If it touches the green arrow, then select an event's broadcast message 1. From there, we need to create a new sprite that says I did it. So let us paint the corresponding text and position at the end of the maze. Then go to the events code when start is clicked, then select looks hide code and select the event when unreceived message 1, then show. And finally stop to all end the game. Hope you enjoy my simple maze game and enjoy playing with your friends. Thanks guys!